We're back in Seattle at Pho Bắc Súp Shop. Delicious, homey flavors waft through the restaurant, but go right next door and you'll find their sister restaurant, The Boat.
Where we're sitting right now is the original Pho Bắc.
Okay.
So this was opened in 1981. 82.
Sisters Quynh-Vy and Yenvy Pham have continued the tradition of their parents, taking over the restaurant and expanding. Today, they turned the original pho restaurant into a unique chicken and waffle concept. But if you want pho, you just have to go next door.
I think we're very fortunate that we're able to kind of just continue what our parents started. They're very proud that it's still here and that we're still kind of doing the same food they did 40 years ago. You know, we have 2 other sisters and they have different careers, right? And so,
Oh, they have real jobs and doctors.
yeah,
Your doctors.
yeah, they got real jobs.
Are your parents still involved?
They're consultants.
Very good.
Now it's time to head to the kitchen with Yenvy to cook some pho.
So we start with the broth. So the broth takes about 24 hours to make.
Okay, and this is labor of love.
Yeah, it's a labor of love, and it doesn't stop cooking. Yeah, so this is kind of like the holy grail of everything beef.
Yes, it is.
For really good rice, you know, you only need about like 10 to 12 seconds. That's why when you guys go to a pho shop, everything's out within like 5 minutes.
Yeah, fast food.
It is a fast food for sure.
We are.
I got you. You twirl like an Italian.
Yeah.
I just kind of just pour it over. Everything cooks because it's so hot.
Yeah.
This is your bowl. You want to have a bite?
I do.
Okay.
That broth is amazing.
Glad you like it.
It is really rich and delicious.
It kind of hits all through your palate flavors. You have sweet, salty, a little acidic from the lime, umami.
Where should I start? I don't even know.
Oh, you start with the tendon. That's the most fun.
Really? I started trying to avoid that one. But
No, I think you'll like it. I think you'll like it.
super flavorful.
Yeah, it's very flavorful. It's great for the skin. Yes, it's collagen.
Collagen.
That's how we stay young.
You're actually 65.
How do you know?
Now we're going to make the Boat's specialty, Vietnamese waffles with caramelized bananas. We start by cooking a banana in some caramel and then pour the waffle batter.
So this is actually something that was invented in San Jose, California.
Okay.
It's kind of like a mix of American banana foster with our American Vietnamese identity. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh,
Perfect.
yeah.
We put the bananas on some tapioca pudding and sprinkle on some peanut and sesame.
This is gonna be a big messy bite for you.
Okay, thank you.
Hope you enjoy.
Oh, it's like really delicate and rich. But it's a fun messy. Oh no, you had a nice clean bite.
But I'll give it a small.
Delicate, sweet, a little crunchy and salty.
There you have it.
Oh, this is good.
This is
Thank
our
you
waffle,
so
of
much.
course.
For more chef-inspired recipes, visit us at wagrown.com.